when we are talking about sustainable development, there are three important pillars of sustainable development. First one is economy, second one is environment, and third one is equality, social justice or social harmony. When we are talking about economy in the context of India, we need to generate lot of opportunities, and I can see this is the solid waste management is the sector where there are lot of opportunities. So many people are just collecting the plastic for the sustenance of their livelihoods. You can see that person is carrying some plastic on his shoulder, and likewise there are so many people who are just collecting the plastic and they are trying to extract some resources from this waste. When we are talking about employment opportunities in solid waste management sector, there are two ways by which we can generate employment opportunity. One is called as capital intensive process, and the second one is called as labor intensive process. And say capital intensive process, like using the trommels, JCB machine, very advanced technologies are used in the segregation of the waste and all these kind of things, and this is the usually the picture in the developed countries. But in case of India, where lot of people are unemployed, there are so many youths who are unemployed. They are looking for employment opportunities. They are looking for livelihood opportunities, where we have to depend more on the labor intensive process. So in labor intensive process, what should be the mechanism? Everyone is all the municipal corporation is bringing all the waste and just dumping in one place, and now they are segregating it. So that should not happen. Rather than that, the municipal corporation will hire some individuals. They will go each and every household. They will collect plastic waste separately. They will collect kitchen waste separately. They will collect textile waste separately, and they will go in different places and they will put the waste in different places. So at the ward level, at the village level, at the local level, lot of opportunities will be generated. So the municipal corporation will give some amount to these people as a salary, rather than spending billions of rupees on this kind of segregation process. Now what is happening? Municipal corporation, the truck is bringing and collecting, putting this waste in this place. Now this waste will go in the landfill site. Again they will use the segregation, use the trommel machine and all these kind of machineries for segregation of the waste. So people are coming and just collecting waste, plastic from these kind of things. So rather than that, we can make this entire process very healthy, very safe, from the angle of the employee, from the angle of the rag pickers, from the angle of all those people who are working and who are associated with these people, this sector, as well as those who are living near the